Hey everybody, welcome back to BigRedEDC. Well, we've got sort of a new version of the Vixino Rock Shark to check out. And it's kind of cool because of course they had pretty good success with the initial run over the Rock Shark G10 versions, and apparently they had some requests for Micarta, and the G10 kind of blew through. They sold out pretty well. So now we have a couple of the Micarta versions. Now, basically the same knife, only it's Micarta versus G10. Kind of, sort of the same, but some slight differences. Obviously, the Micarta is one. And you'll notice that both of these have colored thumb studs. Of course, the G10 version just had the silver thumb stud. That's another kind of change we'll talk about here in a little bit. But so we'll take a look at the black one here. I mean, look at the texturing going on that micarta. It is fantastic. It gives you a really good grip. Of course, you've got the crossbar lock. Now, it's available in black, blue, obviously, green, and they also do have a PEI version for those of you that are PEI fans. Me, not necessarily being one of those, but hey, I know there are a few of you out there, so there you go. You have options. You have a right or left hand carry, lanyard hole, not fully open, but you've got a micarta back spacer as well, steel liners, crossbar lock, and dual thumb studs. I've had 4 different versions, 2 G10 and 2 of these micarta versions, and they are very smooth. They are very, very smooth knives. The construction on these is done very, very well. Of course, we might be there you go. You can kind of see the texture on that one. Now, I'll be honest, when I first got a hold of these, I was like, wow. And now it's a little bit stiffer, micarta, a little more stiff, whatever the proper way to say that is, a little more stiff. And I think the milling has something to do with it. Now, let's kind of do a side-by-side. You know, when I first felt this, I was like, really? But it is. I mean, this feels like, if you put them side-by-side, I mean, it's definitely got that micarta feel to it. Of course, it's going to break in a little bit better, but it is a completely different feel. Now, there you go. You can kind of see the jigging or milling pattern. Jigging. Here I am talking about traditional bone here. The milling pattern on both of them, the same, but definitely I like micarta much better than I like G10. I have nothing really against G10. I own many G10 knives. It's just I prefer micarta. You've got a great fit in hand, absolutely. Well, we'll do our quick spec check. Drop point blade, 14C, like I said, flat ground. It's still a Rock Shark, just different handle material and a little bit different with the thumb studs as well. So it's pretty much a 7-inch knife. Basically 4 and 3 is what you're getting. And a full, maybe 2.98 on the cutting edge or blade. Yeah, it's 3 inches. It's 3 inches. So, but let's see what the weight difference is. That's a good one between the micarta and the G10. So we got the micarta version. Well, let's do it in grams for our friends across the pond. 83 grams on the micarta, 90 on the G10. That surprises me a little bit. I would have thought the micarta would have weighed more. Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Yeah, little. Sure. Okay. A little bit difference in the metal, milling. Okay. I'm sure that's our difference. So now let's go to something a little bit more familiar with and see if there's really a difference. What was it? 6 grams, 2.9, or 3.2? It is. The G10 is heavier. Yeah, that does kind of surprise me, honestly. I really would have thought the micarta would have weighed more. So, I don't know. That's interesting to me. Very much so. Might not be to you, but it is to me. It is. it's a great little knife. I mean, obviously, you know, it's a recognizable pattern. I mean, it is, and everybody's doing it. And Vixino has done very well with the Rock Shark. Now, like I said, another one of the differences, other than the micarta, is you've got the colored thumb studs. That is another thing that apparently people were saying, hey, you know, I wish I had some color options for thumb studs for my Rock Shark. Well, not only did they put them on their knives, but they said, okay, here you go. Have some thumb studs. These are on the website. Now, $59 for this, okay? And it's the same as the G10. No difference in price. They're all $59. But you've got six different options. You do have, maybe you don't want blue thumb studs on your blue. Maybe you want silver. That looks better. Because, I mean, you know, the blue is a little different. Okay. So you're like, I'd rather have silver. Well, there you go. Silver. $2.50. That's what they're selling these for. There again, the blue. You've got red. Well, yeah. It's kind of red. It's coming across orange, but it's kind of orangish red. There's definitely, well, this is gold. They call these gold. So there you go. You've got green. You've got purple. Maybe you want purple thumb studs. You don't want red. You want purple thumb studs on your black Rock Shark. There you go. Now, like I said, each one of these, $2.50, or you can buy all 6 versions for $10, $9.99, $10. So I think that is really cool. You know, Vixino is a very new knife company, and you know they're already listening. Hey, we'd much rather. Do you have a micarta version? Okay, here's a micarta version. Maybe I want a little bit of bling on my thumb studs. Okay, well, there you go. Bling, take it. You got it. I think that's awesome that they are listening and putting out this product to the community. It's fantastic. I wished others would listen that well. Some other more established companies would listen like that. It would be nice, for sure. But there you go, guys. You're asking for it from Vixino. They're trying to give you what you want. Micarta handles, bling on the thumb studs, you know. Tell them what else you want. I don't know. They might give it to you. Who knows? Who knows? But they're listening, and that's cool. Very, very cool. So, again, huge shout out to Vixino for sending out the couple of the new micarta versions of the Rock Shark and all these thumb studs. Bling it, guys. You got 6 different options. You could have one for each day of the week and one for both, you know, Saturday and Sunday on the weekend if you want to do it that. Or just keep rotating. Do it. Have fun with it. If you're not having fun with this hobby, why are you doing it? You know, it's that simple. So, thanks again, Vixino. Thank you guys for stopping by and checking out the micarta version of the Rock Shark and all the thumb studs. Have a wonderful rest of your day. Like, subscribe, leave me that comment. You know I love talking to you. Until next time, guys, we'll talk later. Bye-bye.